Hey guys, this is Abhinav and today we are talking about an update which has just arrived. As you can see, it's MIUI 11.0.3, right? And there is an option called system update. So this is Redmi Note 5 Pro. And what are the updates? We'll just check. We'll check the system update 523 and it is downloading. So in a short time I'll be uploading what are the changes after this update. And let's see this phone again. So it is as of now on Android 9. So let's see what happens once you update this too, once you complete the system update, as you can see, which is going on as of now. So here we have downloaded the update and the phone says reboot now. So let's check, and parallelly my second phone is also on the update, so you can see. So we'll do the reboot now for this phone and let's see what happens. So it is updating. But before update, please ensure that the phone is having some battery, or else join it with a charger. As of now I have kept one phone on charging mode and the other phone already you can see is updating. So it says updating, don't turn off your device. So this is a crucial part. Make sure that you have sufficient battery so that the phone doesn't stuck here in between. So as you can see, it is going now. So warning also is coming on the screen, do not turn off your device. To check, both phones are kept on the same network and same step has been applied. So let's see what happens with both the phones. So here we are trying to install the update on one phone on the right, and we are downloading the update as of now on the left. Depending on the internet speed, it might take some time, so it varies. And here we go. So updating MIUI, don't turn on the device, already going at 38%, pretty much start. So this time I realized that the stable update is of a big size, I mean 523 MB. So I'm really excited about what new features, what new functionality has been added, what bugs have been taken care, how it will improve the stability of the device, and how it is going to help us out in the longer run. So this is all the video I'm trying. So we'll wait till 50% it happens and then we'll pause the video and we'll continue again with the next set of videos. So here it is downloaded at 53% and here the MIUI is already installed at 44% as of now. We'll try to keep the batteries full, so we'll avoid doing anything with the batteries. So after completing about 80% of the update, almost around 80%, this is the screen which is coming to me right now. As you can see, it says the logo of the company, powered by Android operating system, and my next parallel phone is already getting updated. So this is how the things are going as of now. So guys, we have completed the update on the phone which is on the right, and as you can see, instead of 4 icons there are 3 which I can see. My next phone is already getting updated, and let's see what do you have. So it says updated MIUI successfully. Okay, anything change? No, there's no change as of now. I cannot observe anything. Now let's go to the settings part first and let's see what do we have here. So it is MIUI Global 11. The Android version is still 9. It's just the MIUI Global which has been updated. Security patch is updated now, as you can see. So this is just the update. Rest I'll share the videos as per the experience. What has changed in the phone, what has not. Let me explore some things. Digital well-being, services, Google accounts, addition settings, battery, themes, wallpaper, etc. Everything pretty much seems to be as it is. So this is Abhinav signing off. If you like the video, do share this video on your social network and subscribe to my channel. That's Abhinav Punia, and give me a likes if you like this video. Thank you. This is Abhinav signing off.